Hello guys, what's up? Let's begin our discussion with Amazon EC2 instance. So what are the target topics of this video? First of all, I'm going to walk you through what is an EC2 instance, and then we will see how we can actually practically implement and create Amazon EC2 instance. Okay, I'll show you how you can create it, and we will do some creation of file inside that instance. Okay, so we are going to create a Linux instance, and then we will create a file, add some content inside that file and display that thing. Okay, so let's begin our journey with this. Okay guys, so first of all, Amazon EC2 instance, what it is. So Amazon EC2 instance stands for Elastic Cloud Compute, and it is an infrastructure as a service. So in order to understand these technical terms, I will walk you through some important concept. Okay, let's take an example. So this is you, okay, and you have created a software. Okay, so this is a software that you have created in your local, in your laptop. You have created a, okay, in your laptop you have created a software, and you want this software to be used by public. Okay, so in the laptop this is local to you. Okay, so only you are the person who is only using that software, but you want this software to be available to public, like your friends and families. They also want to, okay, friends and families, you want them to also use this software. How can you do? One way is that you will install that software into laptops of friends and families, but that is not possible. Okay, or a smart way to do that, you will deploy it to a website. Okay, you can create a website for that, or okay, or you can create a website and you can say that I'm providing this link, okay, of that software. You can download in your local and you can use it. Okay, one way is second way is this. Okay, or what you can do, if this software is a web application, okay, what you will do, you will create a website and you can deploy this web application. Okay, inside this what you can do, you can deploy this web application and you want your family and friends to use this website link. Okay, these are the three ways that you can do. Okay, so in order to accomplish this task, guys, in order to accomplish this task, what you need to do first? Okay, so in order to create a website, okay, let's take, these are the two examples we have taken. Okay, so in order to create, so you need a server. Okay, you need a server, you need configuration for this server. Okay, you need a configuration for these servers. You need load balancer. Load balancer we'll discuss more about in detail. Okay, what is a load balancer? Just now on you can understand that this is sequentially your request. Whenever it comes to the server, it will sequentially divide the request to the instances. Okay, load balancer. So I'm just going to say that these are the lot of things that you need to configure, and plus the cost of this server is more. Okay, the cost of this server, I think you will have in US it's $25,000 starts with. Okay, I don't know the exact price, but it will cost that much if you have a good quality servers. And plus guys, maintenance. Okay, maintenance of this server needs, they want AC ventilated room, a dedicated room, rent of that room also. Okay, rent of that room also, maintenance also. So this will cost a lot, guys. Okay, so Amazon comes into play. Amazon, what it will say, that don't worry brother, don't worry, you have your software. Okay, you have your software, you come to me, I will provide all of these things. I will provide you in the EC2 instance. Okay, I will provide you EC2 instance. All the infrastructure I will provide you. You just need to do one thing. You just need to deploy your software, okay, and use this server that I will provide you on my, and I will charge some billing, and I will charge some billing for this, means hourly rate or second, each second it will cost you around $0.006 something that, okay. I don't know the exact figures, but this is something that it will charge, okay, for per second charge or per hour charge. So that billing it will take, and it will come into additional features also, sir. What that is, additional features, you can say that you will tell that okay, whenever I'm having a request for my families and friends, only then the billing will charge. Okay, if I'm not using my EC2 instance, I will not be able to charge. Okay, so that is a concept for the lambda expression. So this is a more detailed thing. So you just understand one thing, a basic thing, that in order to have an infrastructure as a service, you have seen infrastructure as a service, we have talked about in this infrastructure as a service. So Amazon will provide you these kind of things, elastic compute. I hope you understand this thing. So it will give you an infrastructure. Amazon will give you an infrastructure where you can go and deploy your own intended software. Okay, so it will come with a lot of capabilities. First is you're renting a virtual machine. So what it is, you have a Windows in your local, you can have a Windows in server also, Mac OS, various kind of operating system you can have. Okay, it is supportive. Scaling the service. Okay, scaling means you are having a you can say that machine in Tokyo, you have a machine in America, you having a machine in India. Okay, these are the three regions that you have. Okay, so what you will do, you will deploy each and every server in a particular availability zone. So that is known as scalability. Okay, you will scale whenever the load and request will come to a specific area or within that area, it will automatically scale up the things. Okay, so we'll come up into detail, guys, because it is not the exactly what I'm saying, that scaling is basically when the request number of requests increases, it will increase the instances types automatically. Also, it will also increase the availability zone as per the instances it will create. Okay, that kind of configuration we can also do in AWS. Third, distribution across the load machines. I have told you about the load balancing. So okay, so let me just give you some brief idea like what it is this. Okay, so you can say that, okay, for a load balancer, I will give you a small, like you are here, okay, lot of people are here, okay, so they are requesting to a particular, so you have a EC2 instance which is deployed with a software. This is a software inside your EC2 instance, but there are 5 lakh user, or we can say that 1 million request. Okay, 1 million request, or you can say that 5 lakh or 1 million. Okay, so this is so much request, guys, so much heavy request, but a particular instance is capable of handling, let us suppose 500 requests. Okay, so what it will do, it will scale up a lot, so auto scaling it is, so it will create lot of EC2 instances, okay, 500. Now in order to get that request, so what a load balancer will do, load balancer will act as an interface, and it will evenly distribute the traffic, okay, across your EC2 instances. So this is the work of load balancer. I hope we'll discuss it in detail in the load balancer section. Okay, but as of now, I hope you'll get an idea of this. Okay, now storing a virtual hard drives. Okay, so whatever data you have generated using that software, guys, okay, so let us suppose you are having a machine learning application which will give you inferences or give you some details about a particular okay data. Okay, so you want to store that analysis within your machine. So for that there is a volume that is supported, that is EBS. Okay, that is supported in this instance, EC2 instance. I hope you get an idea, guys. Now EC2 configuration, what is that EC2 configuration? Okay, so in EC2 configuration, you are having operating system like Linux, Windows, Mac OS. Okay, these are the operating systems that we need to configure. We can have multiple Windows and Mac OS. You can configure that. You can even configure CPU. Okay, you can even configure RAM also and firewalls also. What is that? I'll tell you. Whenever you want to localize, or you are having some confidential software, or you are having some confidential information about a data, and you want to limit that thing with your only specified number of person, then firewall comes into play. That will only allow you to have a particular IPs or the request from HTTPS rather than HTTP. Okay, so these are the things that firewall will support. These are known as security groups. We will get into detail in the security group section. Okay, so now we have talked about these configurations. So how these configurations, we will get to know that how we support that configuration. So we are having EC2 instances for that. Okay, what are the instances types? Okay, so these are the instances you have seen: T2 micro, T2 nano. So T2 micro will support one CPU. Okay, and there are six CPU Rs, and in the memory you can see there is one memory, 1 GB memory, and EBS is supported for the storage part. Okay, and as compared to T2 large, like there are high processing machines also, software also. So for that there are different kind of availability. So depending upon your availability of your software, the processing power, okay, these are instances types that are already being configured within that EC2 instance. I hope you get an idea, guys. Now we will see the hands-on experience on the EC2 instance. Okay, so hello guys, so we are in this AWS account. Okay, now I will show you how you can do the hands-on part. Okay, so you just need to type EC2 and you can see EC2. Okay, so in the region I have supported this US East 1. Okay, you can check your availability zone. So in here you can see launch instance. Okay, now you can give test 1. Okay, I'll give name as test 1. Okay, so let me just see, like it is loading on the application of OS, like what type of OS it will support. It is just loading. So you can see, so I'm selecting this Linux part. Okay, and you can see the configuration of that. Okay, Linux. We'll keep it as it is. Okay, the instance type that we have discussed in the PPT. So T2 micro it is. So in the T2 micro it is good for the free tier instance. Okay, because we are just learning, so we don't want any high end application. Okay guys, you can see on demand, so 0.0116 USD per hour it will charge. So I guess it's a good thing. Okay, per hour it will charge, okay, this much amount of money. So it's a good thing, guys, you know. Okay, now we just come up here and the key value pair. Okay, what it is I'll tell you. Okay, you can say that test key. Okay, we don't have that, so we need to create it. Okay, so it is test key. Okay, so you just need to create a key. Okay, so basically what it is, guys, I'll tell you. Wait, so let us suppose, guys, okay, this is your EC2 instance. Okay, let's understand this key value pair. So you are having this EC2 instance. Okay, and these are the peoples who are using this, users. These are the users who are using this application. But you are a person who is doing the modification on this EC2 instance. You want some updates to this software. Okay, you want to add some software updates. So in order to access this EC2 instance, okay, we can do it with shell command, cmd shell. Okay, we can do it with the putty. Okay, we can do it with ssh terminal. Okay, ssh terminal. Okay, so in order to access this terminal, you want some authorization key value pair, authorization access keys, because you cannot directly access to this EC2 instance due to security reasons. Okay, so for that you need to generate a key value pair. So that is a key. So it will generate a certificate. Okay, dot pem. It will with this extension. So with the help of this, you need to configure and you can access this EC2 instance. I hope you get an idea, guys. Okay, so now this we have created. Okay, and the certificate has been downloaded. You can see this .pm. Okay, the file extension. Okay, guys, now we need to do the network settings, guys. Okay, so for that, guys, okay, we just need to check these boxes and we just need to edit it. So subnet, I'm get this for the network part. So make sure that you have selected a subnet. Okay, we'll discuss it in detail, guys. Okay, don't worry if you do not understand anything here. Advanced network settings, you can see. Okay, it is good. Okay, the configuration storage, it is good. Advanced detail, you can see everything is fine. Okay, now what we need to do, you just need to click on this launch instance. Okay, so it will automatically launching. Okay, so view all instances. So it will take some time, guys. While the status you can see here pending. So we will wait. It will take 5 minutes. Okay, so have some patience and you'll see that it will get generated. Okay, so guys, it is running. You can see the instance type is running. So in order to access this instance, what we need to do, okay, just make sure you have selected this instance. Just need to click on this connect button. Okay, so EC2 instance connect. So it is a terminal that has been supported by this AWS. So just need to click on this connect part and you can see the establishing the connection for your EC2 instance, and you can see, yeah, bingo. So guys, we are in our EC2 instance. So you can, execute your simple Linux command. Let's create a file using touch command. So we can say that test file .txt. Okay, so I have created, you can see ls command. Yes, it is. So what we need to do, I just need to edit this file. Okay, means add some content inside that file. Press I button. Okay, so that you can insert, you can say hi, this is test file. Okay, this is something text. Press escape, colon WQ, enter. Okay, now ls. Okay, using cat command we can see the content. You can see, hi, this is the test file. So congratulations, guys, you have known what is EC2 instance. So what we can do now, guys, we in the similar fashion we can install the application to our intended directory. Okay, we can run, we can share these things. Okay, we are having a public IP, we can share our files. Okay, with our, you can try it out. Okay, by sending it to your friends, families. Okay, so you can try it out. I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information on cloud. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.